sliding out here. Gotta put the seatbelt on. What is up, guys? It's your boy Vader 4 times a week. Yukon in the back. Today, got some goodies for it to install. If you guys remember in the other video, I could not install these roof racks. About to get them on. Putting this on now. Shout out to Michael Cash. I put his comment up, but he told me that those caddy racks need to go in from the back, not the front. So we're gonna do that. And on to the other one. Alright, let's see. Oh my goodness, that is, shout out Michael. Oh yeah. So now, go ahead and slide the other one on. Alright. So we're getting these. Goodness. There we go. Nice. About right. So just go ahead and tighten them down here. Register your Yeti. Alright, so we got them on, and they are looking freaking good. So yeah, they're on nice and tight. Hopefully, we have no problems with those. So now the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is get these turn signals installed. So go ahead and pop the hood, go get some 10 mil, and I'll be with y'all shortly. So here we got the aux beam turn signals. That's how big they are compared to that little thing in there. I'll take it out and show them side by side in a sec. But yeah, got all of these pre-broken off with that. Got all these bolts off. Go ahead and take them out. And yeah, I'll get to y'all. Got the headlight out good enough to where I can reach the turn signal. So I'm about to go ahead and, so I got it unplugged, and that's what it looks like, as you can see. Super small, little, I don't even know what that is. This is the new boy. Yeah, probably illegal. We're gonna test that out. You heard me? So pull this boy out, pop this boy in, pop her back in. Here's a size comparison too. What? Look at that. Literally little LEDs on there. I got 8, and this one has 6 LEDs on one strip. So yeah, that's gonna be a big difference. For sure. The housing, just like so. Ooh yeah, good to go, man. Nice. Already you can see how much of a difference that is from the beginning. This is what that little bulb looked like, you know. So you can definitely tell it's a big difference. So now we're gonna slide this one on the other side over here, and it should be just the same process. So let's do it. Look at that. That's inside that one. I'm gonna go over Inside this one. Exact same process for this side. I already had these headlights out like 5 times, 10 times already, so I know how to do it by now. Here's the moment of truth. We're gonna see together what it looks like. Alright. Oh yeah. Already brighter. Yes, sir. Look at that. Jeez. So I have not started this boy in like 2 days, so close start is gonna be pretty loud. Set you guys up and get a little preview. Get a little, see what the cold start's like. Yeah. I knew it, son. Clapping all right. Sheesh. Yes, sir. And look, don't you love to see that full tank though? But yep, about to slide out of here, go to the Walmart and get some rags, clean up these wheels and the body and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna get a drill mounted brush too. Check that out. So that's gonna be cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start heading down to Walmart, and I'll catch y'all boys when we get there. Freaking let's go. Alright, so we sliding out here. Gotta put the seatbelt on. I love driving this thing. Golly, I can't wait to get me a car, bro. I'm be going on the block hitting it so much. Oh, I'm going crazy. But yeah, we sliding, man. So I have not even spoke to y'all in a long time about upcoming mods to the truck. Long story short, man, I got a list, and literally. So as far as lifts go, man, right now I'm choosing between the FTS or the Max Track, and I might just go ahead with the Max Track, because at this point a lift's a lift. A lift is a lift, and I don't really care about the crossmember color, but I know rough countries aren't true to size, so I want to stay away from those as much as possible. So yeah, Max Track or an FTS, but I'm going for. But yeah.